Can I tell you something?
Okay, please tell.
See, take a photo of my leg and Instagram it.
Okay, let me take the video of
But
your...
don't tell anything.
What? Then everybody will ask you what happened with Mishu, what happened with Mishu. Then what to say?
You can say one small thing that she hurt with blood and this is medicine.
This is medicine. So we can say like this कि Mishu is doing just drama.
No!
Then
You are saying... No, are you taking video?
Yes?
No, I don't want video. Just take off my leg and Instagram it.
Okay.
Huh?
I want to walk, sit, everything. I'm
So you can say it.
I can't sit, but I want to run, walk, everything I want to do.
So you can do everything, but in this position only.
No, I can't do everything in this position.
Then what do you want?
I want to walk like you.
Like me?
Yes.
You can walk.
You said no.
Yes, you can walk. Slowly but.
How? I can only hop.
What happened?
Hurt.
How?
From sharp.
Mishu, it was your mistake or some other person mistake?
My mistake.
Why?
That hurt me.
So what you was doing there, Misha?
I was pushing the couch so I can put everything there.
Acha. Like what? What was in your hand that time?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay. What else?
Nothing else.
Nothing. Is
Sofa.
that? Huh?
Sofa.
Sofa was in your hand.
No.
Then.
Then it just hurt me here. Dada. See, you should take a picture of my leg, then Instagram it.
Okay. What
Do
next?
that. That's it.
Why, Misha?
Because everybody do that when they put pictures.
Everybody doing this like.
Yes.
Okay. But why on Instagram, Misha?
Because everybody do that, nah.
Everybody do.
Huh.
Okay.
You
Can
didn't
you?
know?
Huh?
You didn't know about that?
No, I don't know about even Instagram. I don't know.
You know earlier.
Yeah, earlier, but now I forget.
You forgot that video of Pinky also?
Yeah.
You don't know anything. When I was little, when I was playing with my toys, then you was finding that song.
Okay. But when you was little, so now you are big, kya?
Yes.
Huh? How big? This big?
Big, medium.
Medium? Okay. When you were small, then what was the size? When you were small, then what was the size?
0 is solid. 0 is solid.
Zero size? Acha, this much?
Just
Okay.
this much.
This much?
Small like the screwdriver.
Okay.